my channel. So today we are going to discuss about our phonics. Okay, so we have already discussed 2 classes and we have learned much more alphabet sounds. So among 26 alphabets we learned like 19 alphabet sounds. Okay, so 14 unique sounds and 5 we have like 2 sounds, soft and hard sounds. Okay, so now we will see the rest of the alphabets. So that is, we have 7 alphabets. So in that 7 alphabets, 5 alphabets are vowels. Okay, and the 2 more alphabets are X and Y. Okay, so let's see what are the sounds for these 5 vowels and X and Y. Okay, so these alphabets have more than 2 sounds. If you see all the alphabet sounds, commonly we have at least 2 sounds, and we have like more than 2 sounds. Okay, so why we have more than 2 sounds means like it depends upon the position of the character, where it is placed, and the neighbor of that character. Okay, so we have different rules and regulations for each alphabet. So how to pronounce which sound you should use, whether you should use a long sound, long vowel sound, or short vowel sound. It's all depends upon their position and the neighbor of that alphabet. So it varies from one rule to one alphabet to other alphabet. As a beginner, we no need to go into the deep in that. Okay, so anyway we will see all these rules and regulations in advanced level, actually where we need. So as a beginner, as a when you're teaching to child, you no need to introduce all this stuff for child also instantly. So you can take your time and then you can explain to them once they are good at reading little bit. So we can teach all these concepts to them. Okay, so why I'm saying this means these rules and regulations are not consistent throughout the language. They vary sometimes in English. Always, not only in English, in every language we have some exceptions. So English we will have more exceptions than compared to other language, because English is a very old language which is adopted from different languages. Okay, so that's why it's bit confused. So we no need to put that confusion on our minds. Okay, so it is better to take time and explain those things to the kids. Here for moms also, I'm not going to teach like whole advanced level here. Just I'm giving some sounds and their examples, so that you will know that okay, we have different sounds and how we have to use that sound and what are the rules for that for that alphabet. We will see all that in the advanced level. Okay, so just here first I'll teach how you have to teach these alphabet sounds to the kids. Okay, so we try to concentrate on that. So like this, the first alphabet: A, E, E, O, O, A, X, X. Yeah. Okay, so these are the basic sounds which we are going to teach to the students. Okay, so we won't teach there like all the sounds which are related to A, E, O, U. Okay, so let's see one more time. I'm telling: A, E, E, O, O, A, X, X. Yeah. So if possible, you try to convert your native language. Okay, so next I will teach the sounds which are related to A. Like we have like 6 to 7 sounds here for A. Okay, so I have written example for each sound here. So first I'll say the sounds: A, A, I, okay, so these are the sounds related to A. For that the examples are alert, art, name, ape, angry. Sometimes we used to make it short, our alphabet sound. Okay, sometimes we used to prolong. Okay, so that's why we will say in vowels we have like short vowel sound and long vowel sound. Alert, art, name, ape. So ape. So here we are stretching like a sound. Angry. Okay. So next for E also we have like few sounds, 4 sounds. Okay. So if you say precisely the number, then it will be like 4. Okay. I, E, I, okay. So these are the I sounds. So for that the examples are height, it, high, third. Okay. And next one we have is O sound. So O sounds like O, A, A. Okay. Only, stop, sun. Okay. Next for U also we have different sounds. Ya, U, A. Okay. University, pull, urgent. Okay. Next for X also we have different sounds. A, J, X. X-ray, xylophone, tax. Okay. For Y also we have 3 sounds. Okay. Ya, E, E. L, bicycle, baby. Okay. So these are the different sounds. So here some sounds are short and some sounds are long vowel sounds. So that's it for today's class. Hope you understand the concept. Don't try to teach all the things at one instance. Take your time. Slowly we will learn. Okay. Don't concentrate on toppings. Okay. Concentrate on cake, main ingredients. Okay. So how to bake cake? You try to concentrate on main ingredients. Try to make a well structured cake. Then we will see on toppings. Okay. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.